This is an activation of the emergency alert system on our South Central Kansas WX.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for the Payson listening area. The National Weather Service in Flagstaff has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Gila County in east central Arizona, Coconino County in north central Arizona, Navajo County in north central Arizona, until 2:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 2:05 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles east of Forest Lakes, moving south at 5 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Forest Lakes. This includes State Route 260 between mile markers 289 and 296. This includes the following recreation areas and campgrounds: Gentry Campground, Black Canyon Rim Campground and Black Canyon Lake Recreation Area. Seek shelter in from windows. The storm is capable of producing large hail. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Gila, Arizona.
This was the activation of the emergency alert system on our South Central Kansas WX.